These are the planters I look after outside one of our church buildings. They are a lot more formal than what I do at home. This one has to not have a tree in the middle because of the sign. This is one of my sort of sensory gardens. That's a crabapple. But we've got some lavender, we've got some rosemary. I'm going to put some chamomile in there. There's some sage the other side. And then these original planters, I tried to do them like a garden, and now I'm just trying to gradually make them a bit more symmetrical. You'll see that there's a very, very sharp line at the back with the shade, so you've got to be quite creative because it's underneath an overhang. So that stuff at the back never ever gets on even in the middle of summer, but everything next to it gets a lot. Well, due to a funny Church of England quirk, this is one of our church buildings, and my husband is the freeholder of it for as long as he's in the job. And if he's the freeholder of it, that means by the theological application of what his is mine and what mine is his, it means that this is all mine as well. And in fact, yeah, you've just seen this. These are the planters I've looked at. It's a few weeks later than the first bit of this little video. And so the tulips are going, but I've put in some cosmos. But because I feel like, you know, the whole part of the pavement really is kind of ours as well, I'm actually going to put some proper little raised beds around these two trees here. So none of this London wink business. I am going to make some proper raised beds and try and work out what to put in them. Preferably maybe a kind of a more casual version of the more formal planting I've got in here. Oh, well, there we go. Yeah, by the same logic, I own this garage as well. So that's quite fun. This is where I keep all the stuff that I use around this place. Loads of other people use this. This is a general free-for-all church cupboard when my thing finally works. There we go. Cave of Wonders, all the Christmas decks. Random portrait. There's my compost. There's all my gardening stuff. So I'm just going to plant some dahlias, and I'm going to measure out to make some frames to make the raised beds.